how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading up or showing. So if you want to fix if your Facebook Marketplace is not loading, you can simply open up the Facebook application, and if the marketplace is not loading here, it's not that it's not loading, it's just that it could be hidden. So you could tap on the three lines option here, then simply scroll to the shortcuts tab and go to see more and tap on marketplace to access marketplace. If it's not loading still, then it could be that your Facebook app issue. Long press the Facebook app button, tap on the app info option, go to storage and cache, clear cache, and you can also try clearing the storage. Once you've done that, open up your Play Store or App Store, check if the Facebook app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Once you've done all this and then you open up Facebook Marketplace, should definitely be working over here. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.